Hello everybody, this is Josh Tank01. Sorry I've been away a while, but life happens. So, today I will be explaining HTML. HTML is the basic code that all websites are built off of. You're probably watching this video because you want to build a website, or you're looking for something interesting to do that's relatively basic. Every computer can do this, whether it be Mac, PC, or Linux. As long as you have basic text editing software, you can do it. In this case, we're going to use TextEdit, or Notepad. TextEdit would be the Mac version. And I will release a video on how to make that compatible with what we're doing. So the first things first, you want to create a folder, just a very basic folder. As you can see here, I have a very empty folder. There's nothing in it, but we're going to use this folder to keep everything together. We're going to use it to keep all the web pages together and pictures and everything that we build. Throughout the course of these videos, I will be maintaining a single web page. It will be a web page with multiple different links and pages and pictures, videos, and all the cool stuff that you can do with HTML with Notepad. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to right click, you're going to do New, and Text Document. Very basic text document. And you're going to want to name it whatever. So, in this case, we will just name it Homepage. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be our homepage. Now, you can put in .html, but we're not going to do that right now. There's no point. You're going to open this up. What I'm going to show you in this video is the very basic, what is called the HTML shell. These are the very basic lines of code that every web page has. And I'm going to teach you some basic tags. Today it'll be the body tag, and then when I release the next video, we'll go a little bit more in depth. This is stuff that you can add. This is the basic shell. This is the important stuff. This is how every page works. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add the HTML tag. What this does is it tells the browser this is an HTML web. It tells the computer in the browser this is a web page. The next tag is going to be the head tag. We'll just add, head. Now, and this will make more sense when I get down towards the bottom of this, but I'm going to say this right now. When you open a tag, this is what this is. When you type in this is called an open tag. You must close the tags in the opposite order of the way you put it. So the first tag you open, the HTML tag, will be the last tag that you close. Every web page, except for style sheets, and I'll get into that later on, the HTML tag is the last tag closed. And I'll explain later on what goes into the head tag. Today will be just the body and title tags. Excuse me, can't type today. Title. And on this one, you can close it on the same line. I really cannot type. I apologize. Alright. This backslash signifies to the browser that the tag is closed and that it can read whatever code is in here. For the title, in this case, we're going to name it Homepage. Whoops. Excuse me. We're going to name this Homepage. I really cannot type today. I apologize. Homepage. There. And we will add the body tag. The body is where the content of the web page goes. Normally I do this by adding a couple of spaces just because it just adds a little bit of workspace. And like I said, you close them in the opposite order of when you open them. So, there we go. Now you have a very basic web page. This is literally as basic as it can get. We will save this as homepage.html. Save. Boom. You have just created your very first web page. I'll show you. Ignore that. Ignore that. So, remember where we put homepage in the title tag? Well, the title is this. This is what we named it. Now, I can show you again. Come back over here. Now, this can go away. You don't need this anymore. This is what you want. And when you go back in to open and edit this, you will do open with Notepad. And you have your information. Now, for the title, you can name it whatever it is. Whether it's a home page, a picture page, whatever. It's just to help you stay excuse me. It's just to help you stay organized. Now, like I said earlier, the body is where you put all your information. So we will get into that a little bit more in the next video. I just wanted to explain how to basically build the beginning of the web page. Check out my next video. I'll go into divisions and pictures, and I will show you how to add in text documents and other cool stuff later on. This is Josh Tank 01. I'll see you later. Have fun.